Programming for kids. Let's make a simple game, Beetle Run. In this simple game, we will have this beetle sprite. It will move across the red path as you see, starting from the orange starting point and reaching the green finishing point. The user will control the beetle by the help of arrow keys, and beetle should not hit into the white wall around the red path. So let us see how do we create this game. So first of all, we will program the beetle, we will control the beetle. As user is pressing arrow keys, the beetle should turn around accordingly and should move. So let us see. 4 events we have to handle: up, down, left and right. So here I take the event from events category when up arrow key pressed, and we have to turn the beetle in up direction. So that is point in direction block will help us. Here I select up, that is 0. So on pressing of up arrow key, beetle will turn into the direction 0, that is up. There are the 4 directions here. I have selected up for the up arrow key. Now I make a duplicate of this block set, and in the duplicate of this block set I arrange it here. Now I select here down arrow. For down arrow, of course, I'll select 180, that is the direction down. Another duplicate, and this way by duplicating for all the 4 keys, up, down, left and right arrow keys, we have set the block point in direction in the corresponding direction. You see how the beetle is being controlled now. So beetle is in control now. Let us put it aside. Now let us create the path. I go into paint new sprite button. This is the sprite editor. By using this editor rectangle tool, I create one part of the path like this. Slowly I create one rectangle, and this is a hollow rectangle, so I need to select the fill tool, bucket tool, and fill the color like this. Similarly, I can make further rectangles, and as I join these rectangles like this, I draw them so that they are creating the rest of the path. I fill it again. Rest of the path is there, and slowly, gradually, the required path is created. Now we create the starting point. I take the orange color from the toolbox, color box, and here I draw a small square and fill it with the same orange color. Our starting path is ready. In the similar fashion, the green finishing rectangle will be created. So this entire path is created. I just need to adjust it in this stage like this. This is done. So this way the path is ready, beetle is ready. Let me arrange the beetle at the starting point, and I shrink the beetle to the required size and adjust it on the starting square like this. This is done. Now let's move on to the programming of beetle, how this game has to be controlled and played. So I go to events category. In events category, this time I take when space key pressed, the game will start when the space key will be pressed, and beetle will move forever. Throughout the game, beetle will keep moving forever. So I take forever block, and in motion category I take, first of all, now when beetle will move forever, it will hit the boundary of the stage. So I have taken this if on edge bounce block. This will make beetle turn away when it is moving. This is done. Then I take the move block like this, and I set 4 steps. So beetle will forever throughout the game will keep moving 4 steps at a time and constantly, and if the stage boundary comes, it will bounce back. Let us test this. See, Beetle is keeping moving on, and on the edges it is bouncing back. So far the program is working fine. This thing is taken care of. Let us start the beetle. Let's put the beetle back to the start position. This is the forever block. Now here we have to check that beetle should always remain on the red path and it should not touch the white area. And when it reaches the finishing point, green, the user will win the game. So first of all, let's see how this white color, when beetle will touch the white color, how the game should stop and user will lose the game. Let us do that. Some sort of checking we have to do. We have to sense the color, whether it is white color the beetle has hit or it is the green color the beetle has hit. So I have taken from the control category the if block. If block helps us in making the decision. In sensing block, in sensing category, we pick up a block called touching color. Now this will go into if checking. And here touching color will be taken white. See, I have taken white color here, white color. So if beetle is touching white color, then what should happen? The beetle should say something. For example, it has hit the wall, so beetle should cry, ouch. So let us make beetle say ouch for a short while. Here I type ouch and the game should stop. Entire game should stop. So that can be done by going to control category and stop all. Stop block is there with all choice. So if the beetle is going to touch white color, it will say ouch for a moment and the game will stop. Let us see. See how it is working. So that is perfectly fine. Our game is in control. Let us bring the beetle back to its initial position. Now when the beetle is moving along this red path and touching the green color, now you can guess very well. We can check whether green color is touched by the beetle. So I can duplicate the same if block. That will save me a lot of time and effort. And I arrange this if block right below the first if, but it is still inside forever block. Both the if blocks are inside forever block, you notice. In the second if, instead of white color, I will take up the green color here. And since the user has won the game when the green color is touched by the beetle, so here I type something celebrating. Beetle is celebrating that it has reached the finishing point. So I type something relevant here like this. And our game is all in control. So on pressing of spacebar, game will start. Forever beetle will move on, and if it is touching white color, game will stop. If it is touching green color, beetle will celebrate and the game will stop. Did you see? And this will keep going on forever. This is the complete script. All those when up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow are the control blocks for the beetle movement. Forever block is taking care of entire game. So you can share this with your friends and surprise them.